Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming you have an administrator account and password. Without that, you cannot complete a full restore. Next, disconnect extra USB drives and peripherals to avoid driver conflicts during the operation. Once done, restart into safe mode or the Windows recovery environment using Shift plus Restart if System Restore won't run normally. You're starting the restore now. Open System Restore from Control Panel or the Recovery options. Pick a recent restore point and click Next to begin the process. Now you select a restore point that predates the problem, choose one with a clear timestamp. Review the list of affected programs and drivers so you know what will change. This prevents surprises afterwards. Click Next and confirm to start. The system will close apps and reboot automatically. Make sure you do not interrupt the reboot. Let Windows apply files and registry changes. If progress stalls, wait at least 60 minutes before intervening, because some stages take longer on older or full drives. After the restore completes, you'll log in and check system stability, confirm drivers, open apps, and test the original issue. If the error persists, boot to an administrator command prompt and run system file checker and deployment image servicing. sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair corrupted system files. These often unblock system restore. Once everything looks good, create a fresh restore point and reconnect peripherals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.